How to fix cannot get mail on iPhone. If you see an error saying your iPhone can't check mail or the server isn't responding, here are some steps to fix it. First, swipe down from the top right and turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. If that doesn't work, open a web browser and search something like Gmail down or Yahoo Mail down, depending on your provider. This will show if the issue is with their servers instead of your phone. If the servers are fine, open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on Mail, then go to Accounts. Select your email account and toggle Mail off, then back on. Next, tap on Account Settings. Check the outgoing mail server and make sure it's switched on. Scroll down and tap Advanced. Here, check if SSL is turned on. If mail still won't load, try turning SSL off, test it, and then turn it back on since it's more secure. If none of that works, go back to your account page and tap Delete Account. This won't erase your emails, contacts, or notes. They stay saved in the cloud. After deleting, tap Add Account. Choose your provider like Google and sign in again. Your emails will refresh and should start working normally. And that's how you can fix the cannot get mail error on your iPhone.